In a previous video, we showed you how to upload an Excel file to Wink Reports. In this video, we'll be showing you how to update or remove the Excel file that you've uploaded. Suppose this is the Excel report that you have uploaded to Wink, and you want to update this Excel by adding or removing a column. For example, maybe you want to add a column named Sales Org. First thing you need to do is go back to your login name. Scroll down and click Set Up Connectors. Now go back to File Import. You can see that this connector is active because you're connecting to an Excel file. Now let's click Status. Now once again you'll see the File Import Connector screen, or you can click the blue hyperlink to check the previous data on your report. You see that SalesOrg is not existing yet. So we're going to click Upload again, browse to the file, and then Save. If you want to check again to see if SalesOrg is reflected, you can click on the blue hyperlink, and now you can see that SalesOrg is here in the report. Okay, now go back to the Report tab, locate your report, go to Designer, then go to Add Layout to check if the column is added, and then click Add to Report. And then we can rearrange as you like. So if you want to remove a column, it's the same process. Now you've updated your Wink report coming from an Excel source.